the owner reached out to us and said, hey, we did Lucho Acosta because they saw the traction that it was getting online. A little bit of an uproar from FC.
Miazga is going to have to be instrumental in providing cover, making sure they're organized, dropping, and also stepping up at the right times. And then Wobodo and Moreno are so pivotal in the midfield, not only winning tackles and second balls.
Sergio Busquets and Jordi Alba on an Inter Miami team now led.
Oh, this is a number 10 as well, Acosta.
It's got Bupenza in support, and there's Miller to break it up for Miami. From the edge of the area, it's blocked by Kristoff. And contact inside of the penalty area. It's gone against Bupenza. And DeAndre Yedlin on the receiving end of it.
It's a nice ball played in from Murphy.
Good tough.
It's a good ball.
Gomez between the lines, allows the turn. Gomez from distance and misses by some distance.
It's everybody. A rising tide raises all ships, and this is a great example of it because all of the players throughout the Inter Miami squad have found a different gear, have found a confidence about.
For Jordi Alba to chase. Alba against Hackman. Low cross. Gomez tried to lay it off. It was broken up by Miazga.
Well played with Miazga.
DeAndre Yedlin, a right winger. Ooh! Get there for Campana, who just couldn't adjust from a tight angle. And Alec Khan, who is the cup keeper for Cincinnati, has a goal kick. It's Bupenza.
Doing well here.
Vasquez makes the run and a little heavy.
Feel to
Here's Moreno.
Show up as well.
It's a leading ball in for Barrial, and it's flicked on nicely by Bupenza. Lucho Acosta trying to sneak it through, and it does!
It's that number 10 that we were talking about before, and not the one for Inter Miami. Lucho Acosta, brilliant here, but the movement, Andres, ahead of the connection for Acosta is excellent teamwork and bright-eyed football.
Is he onside? Bupenza against Calendar! And they've doubled the lead! Less than 20 minutes played, but it won't count. The offside flag is up.
Unfortunately, it will not count. But it's a piece of absolutely brilliant magic.
Arias is chopped down by Jordi Alba. And that will produce the first yellow card of the contest. It's Alba in the book.
I don't think Lucho Acosta nil for naught, except for the confidence.
Slotted through nicely for Gomez! And he's denied by Khan, manning his post.
Perfect position for Alec Khan. He's the cup. There's another one. He's it back, though.
Gomez, who's been maybe the standout performer for Miami so far. He's fouled now. Wobodo will go in the book for it. Or is this against Mota for the earlier challenge?
Good play.
Wobodo is clipped by Jean Mota. And Mota is the second Miami player to be booked, joining Jordi Alba. Again, it's Jean Mota. They're queued up at the back post, and it's overcooked for DeAndre Yedlin. Busquets. This is Mota from distance. And bending away from goal from the Brazilian. He's got that in his arsenal. He's the Miami player most likely to shoot from distance.
Yeah, we've seen him burst the net from distance, but this one whistles wide. Take a look at Messi.
Not for Yedlin. Isolated out wide is DeAndre Yedlin. Lifted in for Gomez. He could not get his header on target. But at the start of that possession rate, Kristoff coming all the way up to dispossess Lucho Acosta, and he gets the dominoes falling for Inter Miami.
Yeah, wonderful passing on.
Miami pinned back, forced to defend deep, and it has been a statement of an opening 45 for Cincinnati, the top team in MLS.
Tata Martino does to adjust. Like Javi Morales told us, the assistant coach of Miami, pre-game, they found it difficult to train and to be able to adjust.
A long switch looking for Barrial on this near side. This is Jean Mota outside of the booth for Campana, and Hackman will get there first.
Yeah.
Costa. And Viles reaching out for it. Pass between Gomez and Bupenza, and it's gone against Cincinnati. Gomez wins a free kick for Miami.
Oh, a bit of theatrics here.
Bupenza going down after them. Alba. Mota, back for Jordi Alba. He's anticipating a contact from Moreno. It's Acosta in traffic. Oh, and he's fouled by Gomez. Back. Here comes Cincinnati. It's Brandon Vasquez. Vasquez has doubled the lead for FCC. Lightning counterattack from Cincinnati.
Brilliant football of the highest order. And Vasquez finishes as cool as a greyhound's nose. He picks his spots from distance and gets his angles down to mark a median.
Lovely triangulation. It's trailed by 2 in this second half. It's lifted in for Messi. And into the waiting hands of Khan. Costa. Oboro is tripped up. Depends up. Hint of an offside, and the flag does come up.
Out.
Vasquez is looking to run in behind. Calendar in no man's land.
Unlucky. He's got to snatch at it. He's got to pull the trigger. I think the fans appreciate it. It's a wonderful effort. Back post on.
Fresh legs in.
That's a great ball.
Arias is running in behind. Maybe a hint of an offside. Arias.
Those spaces need a little bit of fortune.
Messi whipped into the six! And Campana buries it to half the deficit.
Executed with extreme prejudice here and prettiness, but look at this setup by Messi again. I told you, he'll drop a pint of beer into a shot glass at the other end of the bar. Astonishing service, and it's all service. When we look at this again,
short, it's loose in the 6, and Kubo's pushed it in. They take it, it's going to be waved off. It's waved off by the referee. For the second time today, Cincinnati put the ball in the back of the net, only to have it disallowed. Trying to find him.
Still does.
He's onside.
Magic.
It's Kubo on his right. Kubo's denied.
Wonderful,
Calendar.
Wonderful position by Big Dre. All of these players reading from this man.
Acosta driving into the area. Back post. Santos just doesn't get there.
This is a magical ball. Directed towards him. But it curls with chase.
Delivered back post for Campana. It's Leo Campana who skies his effort.
So unlucky. He's got a possible ball after he does wonderfully well to control it and bring it down. He says his apologies to Farias, I think.
Battle with Sergio Santos. With Angulo alongside, back post delivery, and Calendar keeps it out to deny Santi Arias.
Arias arrives with the intimidating directness.
Seemingly able to save it. He might find it! He does! Rinse and repeat! There's that combination again!
The madness of Messi arrives! Astonishing pass! He doesn't pull passes or rabbits out of his magic hat. He pulls kangaroos to sink his flaming spear into the heart.
From range. And he's leaning back.
This is the fate that we talked about in him. However, Tata Martino's seen that far deep into this game is his stunt. Their daggers out.
Skramaski.
Good ball!
Justin Martinez into the box. Martinez! Would you believe it?
Skramaski to Martinez! Lightning attack! And thunder at the end of it! Superb play! Skramaski starts! Earns his way into this, and Skramaski is very involved in this. The finish is cool like a killer.
Delivered to the edge of the 6 with Halsey.
Nicely.
Pulled back toward Angulo. Ruiz was there. Kubo! They've done it!
Out of the fire with Kubo, the Japanese international, who unloads this one with the power of a howitzer. close to that man. I called the danger man when he came in. He's got options.
Penalties it is. A thriller of 120 minutes. Kubo against Calendar. It's buried in. Calendar guesses right and couldn't keep it out. Messi chips it. With his hands in his pockets, he levels it for Miami. It's 12 pieces out now. And he's put it away expertly. 2 for 2 for Cincinnati to reclaim the lead. Here's the former Rossi man. And he sends the keeper the wrong way.
Peach of a penalty. Perfect height.
He played 14 minutes in this cup before tonight. And he puts it away, top shelf, unreachable for Calendar. Luis against Khan. And he converts. With stutter step. Maybe doing enough to unsettle Khan.
Well,
doesn't wait at all, and he sends it in past Great Calendar. Confident penalty from the center back. Martinez, it all tied up.
cool hand, Luke.
Calendar makes himself big. It's Hagelin, denied! Calendar keeps it out! Days into Miami, into the U.S. Open Cup final. Kramaski! It is a fairy tale in pink. A team transformed. Days after.
Đứng xa xa. Đây, bên này mình sẽ xây bể cá coi. Còn đây là bên này mình sẽ xây bể cá coi các bạn. Cá coi. Đấy, đứng trên này mình có thể nhìn bao quát được tất cả mọi nơi các bạn ạ. Các bạn nhìn đây. Chút nữa mình sẽ sang review cho bạn cái ngôi nhà bên kia. Đấy, ngôi nhà bên kia họ đang xây dựng. Bây giờ mình phải xuống, con mình đang khóc các bạn ạ.